What is up, team? Chuck with Traders War Room, and I'm back at you with another video. This is your Monday Madness video, and I got a bunch of stocks and charts and news to go over. But right now, I need you to hit that like, share, and subscribe button, and I need you to come along with us on the journey. Check the description tab, tons of tools and tidbits to make you a successful trader, and everything Traders War Room product and service related right there at click buttons so you can go, grow, learn, share, and hopefully make some money. Now, if that sounds good and you're ready to rock it with us, then all I got to say to you is follow me and let's go to war. Traders War Room legal disclaimer. This is not financial advice. The content on this channel is for entertainment and education purposes only. You're responsible for every decision you make. We want you to have fun, use caution, and always go to war. Check out our website, a true one-stop shop for all Traders War Room product and services right there. It's automated, it's click button, it's easy to navigate. You can go there and find out everything that Traders War Room has to offer. You can make purchases right from the website. You can even watch videos right from the website 24/7. Truly a fantastic place for all traders and investors. Check it out today. Come check out Traders War Room Discord. It is our flagship, the true one-stop shop with both free and paid services and a fantastic community of like-minded investors all right there in one spot. Come check it out today. You will not be disappointed. Here are some of the baseline products and services that Trader War Room offer. I'm telling you guys, you're not going to find a better server out there that provides more quality and content for an affordable price. You guys really need to check it out today. Invest in yourself in 2022 and come take a journey with us at Traders War Room. Find yourself struggling a little bit and need a little refining on a strategy or a plan, or just need some guidance? Try our Traders War Room one-on-one mentoring. The focus is on you, and you can book your session right from the website. Try it out today. And while we're at war with the stock market, you guys already know that part of the battle is won through preparation, and that's what our Traders War Room Zoom classes are for. Right there on the website, you can purchase upcoming classes or the historical classes, and everybody that purchases the upcoming classes receives the recorded version via their email, and the historical classes, you can purchase it right from the web and watch it from the web 24/7. Extremely user-friendly right there on the website, traderswarroom.com. Now, enough promotions. Let's get into the real stuff with the video. We want you to remind you to invest in yourself in 2022 and stay tuned at the end of the presentation for upcoming promotions and classes that Traders War Room has. The Buzz Report, what's hot and what's not in the stock market. Let's get it. Here's how your markets closed. Green across the board. A pretty nice day in the marketplace. I saw a lot of people put profits on there, so definitely money to be made today, and a lot of things were doing its thing and bumping up, and we had a lot of mega caps definitely run. So it's a good day in the marketplace, hoping for some continuation moving into the end of this week. Here's another representation of how the market closed. You can see the sectors that did very well, and you can see the sectors that didn't do so well. Energy was struggling a little bit, and technology was doing its thing. Top sector today was consumer discretionary, followed by real estate and technology. Bottom sectors were energy and materials and financials. Looking for those particular sectors to rebound a little bit, pick up some of the slack that they lost today. Top trending stocks, you're starting to see those meme stocks pop in again. The AMC, the BlackBerry, the NEGG. We also got some other ones in there that we haven't seen for a while. So definitely some ideas to generate some thought-provoking content, and also some DD for making proper decisions when you're getting into the market. Total premiums, calls versus puts. Guys, we put this out here so you guys can follow the big money, okay? The big money is what moves the needles. You got a lot of money flowing into Tesla, a lot of money flowing into Apple, a lot of money flowing into the SPY, the Qs, the Amazons. So we pay attention. You want to follow where the big money goes, because that's really what's going to move the needle and give you the trend and the sentiment in that particular direction. Top news, FedEx names a new CEO, and this guy's supposed to be a hotshot, and they are excited about this. I guess he's being cued as the next person to revolutionize and take FedEx into the next phase of the particular business, entrepreneurship, and enterprise. So pay attention to this guy. He should be moving some heads and making some needles move, and people will probably flock to him, especially when he comes out vocally and takes over officially. If he talks a big game but can also walk the walk, FedEx should be doing very well. Big news on Tesla. They added to the wave of mega cap stock splits. This is huge news, and it moved Tesla big time. Now, I want you guys to pay attention, because while Tesla is sure to shoot up a little bit more from here, I want you to watch the cool down period, because a lot of people have been in Tesla since just recently. It's been teetering around the 700, 750, and now we're pushing over 1,000. So people are going to start wanting to take profits, especially when the steam slows down a little bit. Pay attention to that. I don't want you to get caught at the top and then it drops down and you start thinking, I'm losing money. So pay attention to that. Make sure you guys are doing your homework and you're following the indicators, making proper entry and exit strategies. And a little bit of yield curve news. So part of the U.S. yield curve just inverted. Does that mean it's a recession coming? This is gaining a lot of momentum because people are spooked about the longevity of the marketplace. Now, I want you guys to go out there and I want you to Google a market meltdown. And I want you to pay attention to potentially what could happen. Usually a market meltdown comes off after a bottom is hit, a V-shaped recovery, huge spike, and then just a dramatic drop-off to new lows. So be ready for this, okay? Now, I'm not saying this will happen because I cannot predict the future, but just be prepared, always planning for the future one way or the other. We want to make sure we're taken care of and secure in our positions. All right, enough news. Let's look at some stocks. First, we thank Earnings Whisperer for giving us the most anticipated earnings releases for the week of March 28. We saw some movement in some of these tickers. MU was moving pretty good. We saw a little bit of push with McCormick, and we saw some movement in Lucid today. So let's pay attention to some of these stocks and see if we can get a battle plan moving into the end of this week and potentially moving forward in the next week. So always paying attention to SPY. Now, SPY has peaked up pretty good from its recent pattern breakout. I do want you guys to be very cautious with SPY because we're going to hit a point of saturation where I do see a pullback coming. We might be able to push to the 460s, but once we hit there, we're going to hit some high resistance, and I want you guys to be ready for the downward spiral. So don't go in too heavy on any new positions in SPY unless we get the confirmed uptrend. Be ready for the reversal and a cool down period. Bitcoin is trending pretty hard, and with Bitcoin comes a lot of the other crypto type names that ride coattails. So definitely paying attention to Ethereum, some other the other meme coins, Dogecoin, Shiba, and some of the newer ones coming along like Luna. Paying attention to that as well, but really that it doesn't interest me as much as the coins and the tokens, but the blockchain technology. So we also need to pay attention to some of those other stocks that deal with the mining and the blockchain technology when crypto is trending. One way to gain kind of safer exposure to crypto is investing in an ETF and coin. Right now at the price where coin's at, I like it where it's at. We're definitely hitting a point about heading on to the $210 area where we're going to see some resistance. But if crypto continues to trend and it stays pretty steady, coins should track along just fine and should be a safe alternative to get into some of the more speculative, straight crypto and token stocks. Apple has been hitting pretty hard, and when I see charts like this, guys, I automatically start going to a little too much too soon. So I'm looking for the pullback here. I mean, this has been on a run for a while. People are going to start profit taking. Just be cautious if you get into new call positions to the upside, or even if you're going shares long, because I do see a pullback coming here soon, and I would hate for you guys to get in too high when you could definitely get a better entry just waiting a little bit for the pullback. We're paying attention to Tesla. Tesla's moving as well, and it gapped up from its pattern recently. We talked about Tesla yesterday in the video. I want you guys to for sure pay attention to this one, because eventually this is going to come to the saturation point and people are going to profit take. They've been in this here recently, like we were talking about earlier, $700, and this is a lot of money to come up, and people are going to start securing their profits, especially with the instability in the marketplace. AMC is trending pretty hard. And again, when I see things like this is too much too soon. Now, could this be the stock squeeze of all times? It might be, but I doubt it. I just think it has a lot of buying pressure put into it. People extremely got bullish on it and it pushed it up. So definitely watch out for the pullback. Could it run? Absolutely. It's done it before. But if I was a betting man, I would think that we're due for a pullback off of this huge run on AMC. So pay attention and just be cautious. GME, same thing as AMC. Too much, too soon. Don't get caught at the very tip top. Pay attention to this, especially if you want to trade it. But it's fun watching these things run because they run hard. Just be cautious. Haven't seen this one for a while, so this one's kind of interesting. I like this consolidation pattern a little bit better than some of the others. It's not too much too soon. I do think BlackBerry likes to run, and when it does, it runs hard. So I could see this popping up, 850, especially with some volume. So we're paying attention to this, and we like what it's looking like right now for continuation. NEGG is trending. Now, I don't know much about this stock. I do know it's an IT service type of company, and it's a Chinese ran business. So definitely it's been beat up pretty hard, especially with a lot of the other Chinese stocks dropping, and had a pretty strong day today. However, again, these are one of those classic too much too soon, and I'd be expecting a pullback. So be cautious getting into this, but it is trending hard. So there's a lot of money flowing in and out of this particular ticker. One of the stocks that I actually like that was trending pretty hard today is QS. I think this has some room to go. I do like where it's at right now. I think that we could see $20 by the end of the week, especially with some good sentiment, good volume behind us. So bullish on QS moving forward. Now, this is one of those stocks I was talking about earlier that deals with that crypto blockchain type of technology that's associated with crypto. So Mara is one of those that I like. Another one would be Riot. We talked about that one yesterday. There's some other ones that are a little bit cheaper than these. SOS is one off the top of my head. BTBT, thinking about some of them. However, I do like Mara for continuation, and I could see this definitely pressing a little bit higher than it is right now. And speaking of that, HUT trending really hard, man. HUT has a lot of backing, and at this level right here, I could see this pushing up. It doesn't have another resistance point really until you hit about $7.50. So I could see this having some wind behind its sails and pushing pretty hard. So we're paying attention to HUT, but we're being cautious as always with a lot of these speculative type of trades. All right, and so that's the end of the regular video. Right now, we're going to talk about some of the upcoming classes and the promotions that we have right here at Traders War Room. One of the things I wanted to highlight is that we offer a 5-day trial of our premium 2.0 services, and you get the AI bot with that. The AI bot is extremely popular right now. We hired a software engineer to come and develop this trading algorithm bot that uses machine learning, and it is extremely effective. It is extremely potent, and I'm telling you guys, this thing comes out and destroys, and people are making money with this thing. So only at Traders War Room and only on the Discord. 2.0, you can get it. You can try it out for 5 days, and then if you like it, you stay a member, and if you don't, you go back to being an awesome free member. Please come check it out. The link is down in the description. Invest in yourself and come with us. And our next class, we are excited to be giving you guys on Saturday, 2 April at 1 p.m. Central Standard Time. We have a subject matter expert coming in teaching you about these non-fungible tokens or NFTs. They're going to tell you what these are, what they do, and how to make money trading these. Fantastic class. And please watch this short promo and get excited about this class. And I hope to see everyone there. All right, team, that's the video. Thank you for sticking with us and going through the video. Remember, Traders War Room, we look at the stock market like a war zone. Stocks and sector, those are our battles. We do it together as a team. Attack, conquer, destroy, and we're always going to war. Now, if that sounds good and you're ready to rock it with us, then all I got to say to you is follow me and let's go to war together.